It's awesome.
한 달에 약 1,000유로 정도?
Thanks for being BBQ mom.
In today's video, I'm taking you through an amazing multi-course meal prepared by my wonderful friend Danny at his house. Our relationship is pretty unique. He's not only one of the most fascinating people I know, but he's also the busiest retired person I've ever met, truly making the most of life. He's always sharing his food with his neighbor, and he's so busy for helping and volunteering in various ways. Our connection came about in a funny way. He's actually a friend of my landlord. Since my landlord lives in Amsterdam, whenever something needs fixing at my place, Danny is the one who gets called to help out always. This video is from the very first time he invited me over for a meal 2 years ago. And now, 2 years later, we still meet up often. Now, let's dive in and enjoy his amazing course by course creations together.
And Pyeongchangsu from Korea.
Yeah.
When you were and you also have soju there.
Then? Especially for you.
Yeah. You went there together?
Yeah.
Olympic. Love your place. Like it's yellow and a lot of bees I saw there. And then
Because the bees, the bees is, my name is Danny, and she is Annie and Rob, and then you have Dar. And Dar is another word for bees
in Dutch.
in Dutch.
That's why.
That is why we always have yellow and black.
That's there's BB. On our side, I saw some chairs behind there in the living room. Wow.
Because everything is then.
And like it's really kozenmak. Like you have your own garden in between.
And this,
It's full of something, and it's really only for your guests.
Like,
Wow.
we said we only give them one drink, and then
After that, it's
self-service.
self-service. Wow. So you renovate and then you make everything yourself.
Yeah.
Wow.
Mhm.
Like I told your life to my daddy,
Yeah.
and then like he's still working so hard, and then he was so jealous of your retirement life.
But it's nice, so, huh?
Yeah, I'm really happy that she really likes it.
회사에 안 다녔어도 기본으로 전 국민에게 주는 돈은 한 달에 약 1,000유로 정도, 플러스 일하고 받는 연금은 평균이 1년에 33,000유로니까 한 달에 대략 2,750유로 정도. 데니 같은 경우는 이를 합하여 한 달마다 몇백만 원을 대략 받으시면서 생활하시는 거다. 보통 저 나이 때 집과 자녀에게 나가는 지출이 안정화되었다고 가정했을 때 참으로 행복한 노년 생활이라고 할 수 있겠다.
Hey Google, zet alle kachels uit. No, I can say that. Hey Google, zet de keuken op 20 graden. Then he was. Hey Google, zet de verwarming in de keuken op 20 graden. Then he must do the display at 20 degrees. Then look, hey.
Yeah.
That's it.
So everything is like
Yeah.
controlled by.
And I can control it from with my iPhone too. Yeah.
Ooh.
And then I set it off again. Nasi goreng.
Yeah, kimchi, rice. Yeah. Yeah, I'm making myself. Yeah. Wow.
Wait a moment.
Sweet chili. I love this reservation. Yeah, I don't understand.
Irish, Scottish, Australian, New Zealand, American. Yes. Korean.
Yay!
Korean barbecue sauce. Yes?
Yes, nice.
It looks already nice.
Yeah, it is and it tastes also very good.
And the hop on the table.
No, okay. Yeah.
Oh, it's clean now.
And then this is you got some Spanish. That is the liquor 43.
Oh.
I think you know.
Yeah. And they call it sangria. And then you must put this. This is Orangina. I hope it was. You have to mix it. Mix it first, okay?
Chicken?
Shaken.
Oh, careful.
This is the sangria of this 21st century.
Ooh! Wow! Wow! So fancy.
I don't know if I can do this. You can do this. You can do this. Yeah, it can be something. Yeah.
This is around the
Okay.
corner.
I think that's the right color. Now then we have the orange to finish it.
Not yet, not yet.
And
Wow.
you slap meat.
Don't give ice cube. Yeah, and then with the ice cube, that is it.
Then it's really okay.
I think there is ice cubes there.
Yeah. I really like pork, you know?
Yeah. Thanks for being BBQ master. Wow.
Yeah, it's the spacey restaurant for somebody to barbecue.
If you are looking for barbecue master, well, if you want to have some butter for your corn, well, you can put it on, of course.
This one.
I must change because we have legionella. It's better to of the salmonella. It's better to crisp it before. Then half of it I with some Korean barbecue again. Only a half of it. The other half is without.
How do you crisp it?
In my crispy oven.
Okay.
And the crispy is he make this 350 degrees, and then he puts some microwave, and then almost
Cold cabbage, cold cabbage.
cold cabbage, and then that's it, and tauge.
Tauge.
Yeah,
And
And
the
the
sauce?
special sauce.
and the special sauce because this is different sauce between this is for the satay and this is
Special for barbecue.
for the
Yeah,
special
that's
for
for
the
the vegetables.
and we waiting. Oh, hey,
Is he working? No.
or he's tasting. I wanted it. You can.
Looks good.
Yeah, looks
Wow.
good. Wow.
Rice, 1/6 of it. That's only 1 spoon.
Because we have kimchi. Nice.
And then they put this.
With fried onion.
And then very strange. They pick some krupuk and then that's it.
Nice,
Okay,
nice.
that's it. And then take some satay and then with sauce.
Set this up.
Ah.
And the onions.
And the onions again.
Okay. On top.
On top of the sauce.
Ooh, lekker.
In Norway.
When you were traveling there.
Yes. And then I also lost my passport, so I couldn't go away.
Then you got the temporary passport and then came back?
You are already full?
Yeah. Wow.
Gauw regel.
Ja, wel nog.
Lijkt wel op,
Ja.
maar dus niet gauw regel.
Oh, okay.
Het is een... Ja,